For those of you that are looking for a career in the creative industry, graphic design is a really great choice. The type of students that we get here at the Gordon are generally creative. They can enjoy working on the computer as well as off the computer, and you don't need to know everything about the computer programs because we teach you all about those.
I loved my experience with the Gordon. I think it's the hands-on, practical side of learning. They really tailor the curriculum for the individual, which I think is really important.
I love the diversity of the work that you get as a graphic designer. One day you can be doing a billboard and the next day you can be working on an annual report.
The thing that led me down the path of graphic design was all the possibilities. There's so many potential career options, and that's something that I kind of liked. Not knowing where I might end up, but giving me the foundational skill set to go kind of wherever I wanted.
All of our trainers work in the industry as well as being qualified teachers. So that means that you're leaving with up-to-date knowledge and the skills that industry need for today and tomorrow.